ladies and gentlemen, good morning tourism teacher and also good morning student. In this video, I would like to explain about how to clean the mirror with glass sweeping technique. But before we go into this video, let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Ferry Frankie. I'm a teacher from State Vocational High School number 1 of Sukasada, Buleleng, Bali. Before I going to show you the technique of glass sweeping, there is any kind of thing that you should prepare. The first is self-preparation, that include with your good grooming, start from your hair and or until your foot. And then the second one is you should prepare a chemical cleaning equipment and also supporting equipment or protective equipment. We start from the cleaning equipment. For the cleaning equipment, you should prepare glass sweeper and then sponge, cotton cloth, and also for chemical you should prepare glass cleaner, or you could use the multi-purpose cleaner or MVC. And then the supporting equipment you should use hand glove and then mask. Well, I think that's all. And then before we start to clean the mirror, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video in my YouTube channel. And then let's follow me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the surfaces of the mirror that I will clean by glass sweeping technique. So let me practice to you. Firstly, before going to clean, we should spray all the glass cleaner into the mirror like this one. Make sure all the surfaces of the mirror has been filled in by the chemical. And then we smooth it out by the sponge, all the chemical in the mirror. And then we use the glass sweeper to wipe out from the left side, because this is the horizontal mirror, so we do first from the left side. Well, after I clean the mirror, so don't forget to clean the border of the mirror to make sure there is no chemical fill in the border of the mirror. So like this. Well, I think that's all how to clean the mirror with the glass sweeping technique. And then before we are finished this cleaning, don't forget to clean all the cleaning equipment and also storing all equipment that you use when you are cleaning the mirror. I think that's all, and thank you.